everyone, this is Carly from KSAV Vodou. Hope you are having a wonderful day and I hope you had a wonderful week. So far we have talked about the different chakras, what the chakras are, what they do, how they help us in a spiritual level. It is important for me to always talk first about Vodou because that's who I am. This is what I do. This is the person. This is my culture. This is what I practice. And when we talk about in our Creole version of our videos, we talk about all the chaos in Vodou. You know how this people, we have a word, a charlatan. Basically what it means is someone who take advantage of others. It is not right. It is not proper. And trust me, you will pay for it. Because if someone comes to you, they trust you, you should appreciate that. You should respect that. So do not take advantage of people because I've seen too many people. Trust me, you are not, if you are the ones that are creating chaos in Vodou, you're not the first. You won't be the last because it's just human nature. You have to pick and choose a side. So if you choose the side of acting out, let's say, of taking advantage of people, lying to people, putting people in a position where they doubt themselves and they have doubts about the spiritual world, shame on you. So I've seen that movie before where people like yourself who are creating all this chaos in Vodou. I've seen it. I've seen where like people who have done this before, they never finish well. What you do here, you pay here. And if you don't, as Vodouisans, we believe in reincarnation. You're gonna keep coming back until you have learned the lessons that you're supposed to. So appreciate, respect the spiritual world, respect the universe, because I feel like the minute you cross that line, when a person who is chosen by the ancestors come to you, and if you don't know what to do, it's okay. We don't know everything in life. I've said that before. It will be impossible for us to know everything there is to know because the Vodou world is so huge, so big. We cannot know everything there is to know. If you don't know something, let the person know. Absolutely good question. It's okay to say that. Even if you don't tell the person, I'm going to find out. It's like, okay, we're going to do this. People need to do, those of you who are chosen, especially this generation of Haitian, talk to their children about who they are, where they're from, because they are ashamed, they are brainwashed. For those of you who are tormented, confused, don't know what to do, it's called a candle and a glass of water. This is how you express yourself. This is how you ask your spirit, your ancestors to guide you, to help you understand. Put you in the path where you find someone who is truly chosen and who's truly sincere, who is from Haiti, who was born there, who is from habitation because they were chosen by the law. Ask your spirit to guide you so you are able to find the right person. And this is my take on it before we get what the chakras. And there are reasons, because I think a lot of people don't understand, even as a lot of Haitian people, probably, I'm sure there are plenty of us that understand the journey of being a spiritual person is not just about taking the law for granted, because we can connect with them, as I said before, in a much higher spiritual level. And we do that to meditation. We make sure our chakras are aligned because there are things that happen to you. Trust me, as a human being, we all go through it. We are not perfect. We have those moments where we like, doubt. This is part of your journey of, I see life as a school. We learn from it every day. It is up to you to learn and educate and inform yourself, because the world is connected, just like the spiritual world is connected to social media, Google search. There is so much information available out there. It is always verify the source you're getting the information from, but there's a lot of it available. So it's no excuse for you not to educate yourself to who you are and be consistent, be persistent about asking those questions that are bothering you. Parents, Haitian parents, stop doing that. You know, you just decided, you made a choice of rejecting your ancestral journey and you have decided it's evil for whatever reason. Now your children are in a journey and they don't know what's going on. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to express themselves. Children are on this journey, when they're asking you questions, you choose to ignore them. You said these things like the trash, they're not worthy to talk about. Because of our ancestors, they were able to free us from bondage. We can't forget the things that happened in the past. We can't shape your future and your present. So be persistent. Be honest with your children. Tell them the truth. So that's my take on that. So far we have talked about the different chakras in your body. There are many chakras in our bodies, but the 7 main chakras are the one we talk about. It was chakra number 5 today. So chakra number 5 is your throat chakra. The ability to communicate. Isn't that wonderful? So you've seen what people are taking advantage of. They said, you know what, you are a doormat, you let people walk over you. It's probably because their throat chakra is blocked or weak. The color for that chakra is the color blue. The color blue, that's the color of the throat chakra. So when your throat chakra is weak or blocked, guess what? You are one of those people that let people walk all over you. You'll get taken advantage of everywhere because people already know you're not going to say anything. You're healing the chakra to meditation. You need to see the color blue in that area because this is the chakra that helps you communicate and express yourself, express your feelings. So the throat chakra, when it's balanced, that is why it's important that we meditate. The meditation, as I said before, there's so many meditation out there. I recommend find a video when you are listening to this video, when you are closing your eyes and you hear the music and feel like you have that connection. This is a video you want to listen to and help heal that chakra for you. There are numerous glands attached to this chakra. We're talking about the eyes, the nose, the ears, of course, the throat, and there are many more glands that are associated with this chakra that are inside your mouth. So it is important we are able to communicate our feelings. And the way to do that is to make sure your throat chakra is open, is balanced, it's strong. Thanks for listening. Till the next time. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at KSAV Vodou@gmail.com, KSAV Vodou Facebook, KSAV Vodou YouTube.